ZWCAD MFG 2026 provides hole design and brings engineers efficient and intelligent design. With hole generator function, different kinds of holes like straight hole, stepped hole, tapered hole, and center hole can be quickly created. Standardized threaded and center hole are integrated to ensure that the corresponding nominal diameter can be automatically matched and guarantee engineers the design accuracy. Main view and top view are simultaneously supported to avoid switching the views. This function makes the process of hole design concise and efficient. The design efficiency can be improved over 50%, and it is ensured that the procedures comply to the engineering specification, which consequently increases the design accuracy and reliability. Section detail view of hole generator is the essential tool for observing the internal structure. The interior of the hole and the assembly relationship with the bolt can be clearly illustrated and accordingly help engineers verify the rationality of the design. Two kinds of intelligent dimension model are provided: leader note and general note. Leader note is suitable for intensively distributed holes or single hole which needs to be purposely annotated. General note is generally used in standard situations. The function of hole generator ensures the consistency of the hole accuracy between single part and assembly component. Therefore, it is widely used in various design scenarios in manufacturing industry. Please download ZWCAD MFG 2026 and start to enjoy your design.